Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well. Bought something on Temu that didn't work out? Here's how to return it and get your money back. Make sure to watch till the end. Then, first of all, make sure your device is connected to the internet. Then open the Temu application. Then you need to go to the U option, which is your profile, and make sure you have connected your account to the Google or Facebook. Then you'll find the option called your orders at your profile. Here you'll find your orders. Click on it. After that you'll see the orders that you have ordered any items. Then to return or refund, find the item you want to return and tap return/refund. Then it will ask you to select a reason for return and choose refund to original payment method for a payment to refund. And to ship it back, download and print the prepaid return label, pack your item and drop it off at the given location. Wait for refund. Once Temu receives your package, your refund will be processed usually within 5 to 14 business days. And that's it. Simple and free. And like and subscribe for more quick Temu tips, and I'll see you in the next one.